Are you also severely annoyed by a really annoying pop-up that pops up from the taskbar in Windows 10? And it just blocks your view of what you're watching, whether it be your browser window or your documents or whatever. And sometimes that pop-up is really stubborn, it doesn't want to go away, even though sometimes it shows nothing. Yeah, it's a really annoying pop-up. What it's called is the News and Interests pop-up. And fortunately it's easy to disable, but you have to know how. That might take some while to figure out, but at least you landed on this video, so now you're gonna know how easy it is too. What you do is you right click on your taskbar and go to News and Interests. There. And then turn off. And voila! Thank goodness! Now you can sigh a sigh of relief, because now it's off and it won't bother you again, hopefully. Hopefully Windows won't write another update or something that makes it pop up or whatever to come and annoy you at the most inappropriate times when you really don't have time for nonsense. So, I'm glad I could help you get rid of one of the irritations in your life. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe, and I thank you.